Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about linking your Xero account to the ATO. So this is a super important step if you want to automate BAS lodgements, payroll reporting, and keep your tax reporting accurate. So first, you're going to have to log into your Xero account and head over to the accounting menu. From here, you then have to select Advanced. Then simply click on ATO link. If you don't see it, just use the search bar in Xero and it will pop right up. Next, you then need your My Government ID or your AUS key credentials. So this is what ATO uses to verify your identity. From there, you then have to follow the prompts to sign in and authorize Xero to access your ATO account. Don't worry, it's completely secure. And once you're logged in, Xero will then ask which tax rolls and reports you want to link. So most businesses will connect BAS, PayG, and Super Reporting, but you can also customize this depending on your needs. So just make sure to select the ones that are relevant to your business. And after that, Xero will then automatically pull in your ATO settings and sync your company details. This means the next time you prepare a BAS or payroll report, Xero can pre-fill the data and make lodgement way faster. Finally, always test the connection by checking a sample report. So simply look for any errors or missing data and correct it in Xero before you lodge officially. And once everything looks good, your Xero account is then fully linked and ready to go. And that's it. So linking Xero to the ATO is pretty straightforward, but it also saves a ton of time and headaches. So if this helped you out, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.